Hello students, how are you? Very precious good morning to all of you. Today, now we are going to discuss the another cell organelles that is known as lysosome. First of all, what is the meaning of lysosome? Lysosome is made up of two words. First is the lyso means digestive, soma means body. Lysosome is also known as digestive body. And the structure of the lysosome are spherical or oval in shape. Spherical or oval shape. Here is the primary lysosome. This is the structure of spherical or oval in shape. The one scientist D. Dewey in 1955 proposed or coined the term lysosome. मतलब एक साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने सबसे पहले लाइसोसोम के टर्म को दिया. दिस द नेम ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट इज डी दवे इन 1955. लाइसोसोम्स प्रेजेंट इन ऑल एनिमल सेल, एनिमल सेल्स except RBCs. Except RBC means the RBC without any cell organelles, means all the animal cell having a lysosome. Lysosome form by the process of packaging inside the Golgi apparatus. It means the Golgi apparatus play a very important role for the formation of lysosome. It means the origin of lysosome from Golgi apparatus. Here is the diagram mentioned. Here is the Golgi apparatus. And here the primary lysosome, they are originated on both the sides from Golgi apparatus. The lysosome is also known as suicidal bag of the cell. Why it is called as suicidal bag of the cell? Because it is important role for digestion of inside the cell or outside of the cell, because it contains hydrolytic enzymes. Various type of hydrolytic enzymes, they are present inside the lysosome, like proteases, lipases and carbohydrates. Means all three major food molecules, they are easily digested with the help of lysosome. So therefore the lysosome is also known as suicidal bag of the cell. Means the some dead cell or old cell, they are digested with the help of lysosome. So lysosome, it is also known as suicidal bag of the cell. The lysosomes, they are polymorphic in nature, depends upon their structures. Primary lysosome, secondary lysosome, autophagic vacuole as well as residual body. The first of all discuss on primary lysosomes in detail. Here is the primary lysosomes. What is the primary lysosome? Primary lysosome. Primary lysosome. Number one, small oval shaped and developed formed from Golgi apparatus. Formed from Golgi apparatus. Means the primary lysosome, this is the first lysosome. They are originated from Golgi apparatus. Means origin of the primary lysosome from Golgi apparatus. It contains inactive hydrolytic enzymes. Hydrolytic enzymes are present but in inactive form. Inactive hydrolytic enzymes, that is known as primary lysosome. Second is secondary lysosome. Secondary lysosome is also known as heterophagic vacuoles. It is also known as heterophagic vacuole. Heterophagic vacuoles or digestive vacuoles or digestive vacuoles. When primary lysosome interact with food molecule by the process of phagocytosis, when the food molecule enter inside the cell, after that the primary lysosome interact, here is the food molecules, interact with the food molecule, after they digest them, and this structure is known as heterophagic vacuoles or digestive vacuole, because the hydrolytic enzymes or digestive enzymes आर एक्टिव, यहाँ एक्टिव हो जाती है, एक्ट ऑन फूड मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड डाइजेस्ट देम, तो दिस टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज सेकेंडरी लाइसोसोम. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कि व्हेन द फूड मॉलिक्यूल्स इंटर इनसाइड देम, जैसे इसके अंदर इंटर करता है, the primary lysosome bind or interact with food molecule to form a heterophagic vacuoles, and the heterophagic vacuoles or secondary lysosome contains active hydrolytic enzymes. With the help of hydrolytic enzyme, food molecules are easily digested. Third is residual bodies. Residual bodies. Or third is residual bodies. Residual body is what? Undigested food molecules present inside the cell like structures, that is known as residual body. Here is the residual body. After the digestion of the food molecule, some food molecules are not digested with the help of primary lysosome. So some residual bodies which are present inside them, that is known as residual body. Residual body it is excreted or removed, not excreted, remove outside of plasma membrane of cell by the process of exocytosis. This is a very important phenomena. Here is the exocytosis. So undigested food molecules, they are processed out throughout the cell with the help of plasma membrane, and this process is known as exocytosis. तो जो रेडिजुअल बॉडीज होते हैं, जो सेल जैसा एक स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है, इनसाइड देम अनडाइजेस्टेड मटेरियल्स आर प्रेजेंट, एंड दिस मटेरियल इज नोन एज रेजिडुअल बॉडी. दिस इज द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द लाइसोसोम, एंड द लास्ट इज द फोर्थ फॉर्म ऑफ द लाइसोसोम इज ऑटोफैजिक वैक्यूल्स. Autophagic vacuoles are formed by many primary lysosome to form autophagic vacuole. Vacuoles. And what is the role of the autophagic vacuoles? ये क्या करते हैं? डेड or old cell surround by membranous vacuolar structure is known as autophagic vacuole. It contains enzyme, then digest the dead cell or old cell, or if any cell organelles present inside the cytoplasm in excess amount. At this time, autophagic vacuoles play a very important role, digest excess cell organelles or dead cell or old cells are easily removed from the cell are easily digested from the cell with the help of autophagic vacuole. Here is the diagram mentioned in here. Here is the primary lysosome. The many primary lysosome aggregate with each other to form a special structures that is known as autophagic vacuoles. The autophagic vacuoles digest dead cell, old cell or excess cell organelles if present inside the cell. They are digested with the help of autophagic vacuole. After that, after digestion, they are converted into residual body, and this residual body passes outside of the cell with the help of exocytosis. So here is the 4 important form of the lysosome. तो इस तरह से अगर हम देखा जाए तो लाइसोसोम जो है एक सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स होता है. दे आर प्रेजेंट इन ऑल यूकैरियोटिक सेल. इट कंटेन्स हाइड्रोलिटिक enzymes for cellular digestion, like autophagic vacuole is a type of cellular digestion, as well as intracellular digestion takes place like the heterophagic vacuole. The second lysosome digests the food molecule. So this type of digestion inside the cell, digestion takes place inside the cell. So this type of digestion is known as intracellular digestion. It is very important role in case of animal cell. So here is that lysosomes are totally fledged. Thank you. Have a nice day, all of you.